Hello TEQ Crypto followers, welcome to our video. Today, we'll share the technical analysis of Litecoin with you. In our past videos, we drew an ascending trend, and especially, I am delighted to share that an important resistance level has been broken upwards. I'm really happy about this because with the upward break of this trend and the hold above this resistance, we can potentially achieve significant gains. Now, even though the last candle is a bearish one after the uptrend, is it really a downtrend? Actually, it might be a continuation of the uptrend because it's showing a lot of volume and strength in its upward movement. It has risen, or rather, that's why this point is crucial. Now, if we look at our next moves from here, this was a very strong resistance zone. We definitely don't want this zone to be broken downwards because if it does, the first target will be the support zone of the ascending trend. So, at this point, we can say that there's a pullback. Along with this pullback, we want the uptrend to continue. If the uptrend continues from this point onward, our upper targets can be drawn gradually. Firstly, there is a resistance zone here. If we draw a large resistance zone after that, it corresponds approximately to these levels, and this region is around $139. So, if we look at the two targets we just drew, the first one is around a 10% increase, and the second one is around a 31 to 32% increase. Along with these, if we look at the moving averages, they seem to be intertwined at the moment. Of course, with the recent uptrend, the moving averages seem to start breaking each other upwards. The important thing here is that if we talk about the medium to long term, the price needs to stay above the 50-period moving average. As long as the price stays above the 50-day moving average, we can expect some really nice uptrends in the medium term. We can also mention this here. In the short term, it is important for the price to stay above the 20-day moving average. We can say it like this. Additionally, after looking at the Bollinger Bands, let's summarize and slowly conclude our video. Currently, the price seems to have moved far above the upper Bollinger Band. When it gets back inside the Bollinger Band, we might see a slight drop. Of course, we don't want it to drop all the way to the middle band because we don't want the resistance zone to be broken downwards. So, we don't want it to drop all the way to the middle band. However, it may continue within the upper band. It might initiate an uptrend and reach higher levels quite easily with a rapid trend. Along with this, if we look at the 4-hour period on our chart, we see that the price has entered an ascending trend that we drew from the past. Also, if the price drops, it will first reach the channel here, and from there, we can foresee that it will likely continue its uptrend. Let's slowly conclude our video and summarize the important points. Moving averages are important, as we mentioned. In the short term, it is essential for the price to stay above the 20-day moving average, and in the medium term, above the 50-day moving average. We also don't want it to move below the orange line. Let's mention that as well. If these conditions are met, our upper targets will gradually be achieved. Let's say these points here and slowly come to the end of our video. In this video, we shared the technical analysis of Litecoin with you. If you liked the video, you can click the like button. To stay informed about future videos, you can subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.